think I finally figured out what happened to this problem. It was written incorrectly. I think the teacher wanted you to change both of these signs to pluses. Looks like you changed this one, which is one of the answers, and this one didn't get changed. But if we change them both, so we start with this original equation and pretend that this was what was written in the beginning, with a plus and a plus, I think that'll get us there. Let's try it. Adding fractions, need a common denominator. Make sure all the denominators are factored before you start. So this is an n times an n plus 1. So now we can see that our least common denominator, I'll need a 3n, I'll need the n plus 1. I already have an n, I already have an n plus 1, I'm set. So this 3n needs an n plus 1, top and bottom. This n plus 1 needs a 3n, top and bottom. This guy needs a 3, top and bottom. So now, they all have the same denominator, 3n times n plus 1, 3n times n plus 1, 3n times n plus 1. So it's not an equation, so I can't ditch the denominators, but they all have the same denominators, so I'm free to combine the numerators. So rewriting the numerators, 4 times n plus 1 plus 2 times 3n plus 2 times 3, all over that least common denominator of 3n times n plus 1. I can now simplify the numerator, distributing. I'll have 4n plus 4 plus 6n plus 6 all over, leaving the bottom the same. So we have 4n plus 6n is 10n, 4 plus 6 is 10, divided by 3n times n plus 1. Now we're almost done, but see if you can simplify more. Now we're at a point where we could factor the top, taking out a 10, leaving you with n plus 1, and the bottom is 3n times n plus 1. And hey, the n plus 1's can cancel, leaving you with the 10 over 3n that the professor got. Ta-da!